Madam.
Yes.
All right. All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Um, Today, well, this is for tomorrow pre-market. It looks like things are heading flattish at the moment, not really that
Can't
much.
see your screen.
You can't?
Oh, now I can.
Oh. So to give a synopsis of what's going on, I was saying for tomorrow, things are looking kind of negative, flattish at the moment. Um, what happened today was everything was like cray up. Everything was above 1%, including the Dow Jones, which is usually not that high. S&P 500 over 1% and NASDAQ 1.46%. You can see that the VIX has been volatile like crazy. And I'm not surprised by this because some president likes to talk a lot and things go cuckoo when he talks. um, So here's the scenario and a visual of what occurred today. You can see all of the big techs did fabulous, especially NVDA. I was in NVDA going long, but for some reason my contract didn't hit 100%. I was in Amazon and I did fabulous, especially towards the end. Tesla, Meta, everything was very positive. Things were looking very greenish across the board. I guess except energies, you can see that XOM dropped like a rock. Utilities are not that great. Walmart's still strong. Okay, so here is we're gonna start with the losers. So you can see the loser was Intel, XOM, BJ's, not surprised by Open, Bank of America, EBC, Beyond Me. Who's still in this? I don't know. Walgreens, and Macy's. Let's take a look at just the top three on a daily. Let's move the screen. So you can see that Intel is getting closer to $20. Not a bad price. It has hit this price before. If you can get it even below at $20, and if you're into that stock, then yeah, I would say get it at the moment. It's still going down. XOM uh didn't do well today. Um it's really below the moving averages. They're at the top, it's at the bottom. It's at a point where I would say let's take a look at this because it's a really good level to purchase, but it could potentially get to 100 as well. I would continue to watch and observe. It did do a hammer today. So that's a good buying buying momentum. We have marked off this 96, 97 area. So it could potentially get down here in this area right here that we have marked off. So yeah, just continue to observe it. It's getting to that level. So if it does, go for it. I'm gonna skip PJ's Open. It's a piece of trash. I wouldn't purchase this. You can see that it's gonna get to $1 and then it's gonna go to bye-bye. Bank of America, it looks like it's continuing its trend down. However, it is at the 200 moving average. This is a really good buying zone for those who are very interested in buying Bank of America. Obviously, we have marked this $34 range, but you can see that every time it has hit this, it has bounced up, boom, bounce up. So it's at a good level of purchasing. If it surpasses, if it keeps going down, then yes, I would wait until to get to the 34. So if it goes even lower than this, yes, I would just wait maybe here, 36, 35. But it looks like it's starting to pick back up because this was a hammer today. So that's Bank of America. Let me see if there's anything else that was greenish. Piton, keep going, baby. I'm in that trash, so I'm just waiting for it to get down to the gutter land. Um, and I don't see anything else that catches my eye. Apple, oh, let's take a look at Apple. Apple didn't really move that much according to this 0.02%. It's getting very close to the 200 period. Again, it's at a good buying zone. You can see there was a lot of resistance from the buy, like a lot of resistance from the sellers, and buyers were picking up. So it did this hammer. Is at a good area. Obviously, if you got it at 230, that was the price to get it at today. Car is on hard buy. Okay, let's take a look at the top winners and if anything catches our eyes. Oh, Chewy, 7%. Very good. I know somebody that's in this. It looks like it bounced off this 33.88 level and it said, hey, I'm gonna do good and keep going up. So basically it could start doing a breakout from this, in my opinion. And I hope it does because it's been doing really good. And I want somebody to get out of this potentially. Roku, I'm gonna skip. It looks like American Airlines had a good day. It might be jumping, it might be doing a breakout as well, potentially. It hit this area that I had mentioned before, 1329. It could start bouncing back up from this 1329, but I don't like it here anymore. I like it, between 12 and 10. And I'm not interested in American Airlines as I was before, but I wouldn't knock it if people would get this. DraftKings did fabulous also too. It looks like it bounced off the 100, and it said, hey, I'm out of here. After all this downturn, it's picking a little bit up today. Dollar Tree, $70. Not bad. Not a bad precio. It's been kind of hanging around here. And it's really until I see it maybe above 73, then I can say, hey, it's going to start going up. But at the moment, it's at a buying zone area. A coin, not that much interested in it, but I'll take a look maybe for those people who are. And you can see again, it's below the 200. It looks like it's doing a little bounce-averse. We have here mark 200. So I wouldn't disagree with people buying here as either. Softy, look at this. It did a reversal. It looks like it's doing maybe a potential breakout. It has been going down since I would say here 444. It's been on a trend down. Now it looks like, hey, it's trying to pick back up. Let's take a look at NVDA. Oh, I have the SPY up, so let me take a look at the SPY. SPY is at the 200 level here. It had a good day today. I'm hoping it does a breakout and does a couple of days moving up. We will see because it likes this level. Every time it has gone here, it has moved up. So we'll continue. This is a good one to watch and potentially get in the next couple of days. Metalicious. Metalicious also here is at the 100. It looked like it picked up today. Will it continue? That's the question. So let's see if it breaks out from this area right here. If it goes above 680, let me see, 672, maybe I could say, yes, it's going to break out. At the moment, let's continue to observe all of these players because they're at the good areas. Same thing with Amazon. Let's see if it does continue on this trend upward, but let's see if it does do the breakout from this level. Fabulous Tesla. It's been going down. Someone had mentioned yesterday that we should continue to observe this. And I agree. It is at a good area that it could either go up like crazy or it could break down like crazy. Let's continue to observe it. And then these 2 days have been pointing toward the upside. Let's see if we get another day or two upside. And if it does, then it's gonna move onward up instead of down. So yeah, there's your Tesla baby for you. Same thing with Amazoni, and all of these tech players. They're at a good buying zone. Google, we'll take a look at that. And then if somebody has any questions or any other particular tickers that they would like to see, then that's it. Same thing with Google. It's at the 100, 200 period. You can see it's kind of starting to do a reversal, but we need a little bit more evidence of this to start really picking back up and going back up. So all of these tech stocks, I say, let's just continue to see what in the next 3 days will bring. If it's gonna go up, because of the tariff talk. Um, will it continue to crash, or will it be like, yeah, whatever, let's just keep it moving. NVDA, again, same thing. So that's that. If you have any other things that you want to look at, Miss Verde, please let me know. Oh, let's take a look at Campbell real quick, just to look at the things we were observing, and Nikete. Here's Campbell, still in this buying zone area. Can't go wrong. Set it and forget it. Nikete, Um, it's been doing really good. I think this was a buying opportunity. You can see it was basically a reversal of yesterday. I wouldn't knock it, anybody getting this. You can see if you can get it a little bit lower, obviously, but it's still within this area that we had marked as a buying zone. And last but not least, let's look at CBS just to see what the outcome of the today. Very green. Ever since it had earnings, it's been kind of keeping a range between 62 and 67. So let's see how this continues to play out. That's it, guys. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. If you have any questions, any comments, um, let us know.
Thank you. Have a
Peace
good
out.
one.
Have a good one. Peace out.